Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Fight for immunity. Top 5 most useful products. Drowsiness, dry skin, constant fatigue, all these are signs of reduced immunity. In the stream of autumnal vortexes and rains, health is seriously tested. The vitamins and microelements accumulated during the summer period gradually get down to a minimum. The body needs additional natural support. Honey. Honey is a real storehouse of useful substances. It is stored for a long time without losing useful qualities. Interesting facts. Honey is able to remove alcohol from the human body. High temperatures, more than 50 degrees Celsius, are harmful for honey, so the medicinal properties of tea with honey are greatly exaggerated. The most honey country in the world is China. Recipes for healing combinations. Honey plus freshly squeezed aloe juice, mixed in equal proportions, improve well-being and have immunostimulatory, anti-inflammatory and bactericidal properties. Honey plus grated fresh ginger, this mixture helps improve blood circulation and lower blood cholesterol. 100 milliliters of honey plus 1 lemon plus 3 cloves of garlic. These products need to be ground in a meat grinder and used to raise the immunity. Ginger. Popularity. This root in Russia has acquired relatively recently. However, in Indian, Japanese and Chinese cuisines, the tonic effect of ginger has been known since ancient times. The secret code of the product is in essential oils, which have a bactericidal and immunostimulating effect. Ginger is rich in amino acids and in vitamins A, C, B1, B2, as well as a high content of magnesium, phosphorus, iron and calcium. Unlike honey, ginger is recommended to use as a decoction, as an independent drink or in combination with herbal tea. Interesting facts. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. The root is the strongest aphrodisiac. In this capacity, he was mentioned in the Arabian tales of Shakhrazad. Ginger tea is recommended for pregnant women during toxicosis, as well as for seasickness, because it quickly eliminates nausea, dizziness and weakness. Recipes of ginger drinks. Ginger plus rosehip plus linden flowers, get the perfect hot drink that helps with colds and high temperatures. Ginger plus lemon peel plus apples. This combination has not only immunostimulating effect, but also has a fat-burning effect. Black tea plus 2 petals of ginger root plus 2 mint leaves plus half a cinnamon sticks. This recipe will help to cheer on a cold autumn morning, and also normalizes blood sugar. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds have a positive effect on immunity, even in older people. They contain a lot of zinc, the most important element in the body's defense system. In addition, selenium, calcium, potassium, fluoride, as well as vitamins A, B, C, E, K are contained in seeds. Vitamins E and C increase the positive effect of zinc on immunity. Miraculous magnesium in pumpkin seeds is useful for the nervous system and heart. Interesting facts. 25% of the contents of pumpkin seeds, vegetable protein. The product actively destroys parasitic worms. Pumpkin seeds stimulate the production of serotonin, the hormone of happiness. Cauliflower salad with pumpkin seeds. Ingredients. Cauliflower, 1 head. Onion blue, 2 heads. Butter -5 tablespoons L. Pumpkin seeds -5 tablespoons L. Pine nuts -3 tablespoons L. Salt. Cooking method. Color cauliflower on in fluorescences and boil in salted water until cooked. Throw it in a colander. Onion cut into strips and fry in oil for 5 minutes. Add pumpkin seeds and nuts, fry for 3 more minutes. Put cabbage, salt, mix and warm. When serving, decorate with basil leaves. Get a warm and very useful salad that will suit people on a diet. Seaweed. Seaweed is useful for both internal and external use. Many cosmetics for hair, skin and nails are based on algae. To stimulate the immune system, it is useful to eat fucus and laminaria. First of all, they are valuable in high iodine content. Unlike fish, algae are used raw and better absorbed in the body. The iodine contained in them is necessary for the functioning of the thyroid gland and hormonal balance in general. A complex of polysaccharides has a stimulating effect on the immune system. Interesting facts. Fucus is almost identical in composition to human blood plasma. The largest alga is laminaria. Its length can reach 60 meters. In some high mountainous regions a phenomenon called watermelon snow is known. Algae give the snow a pink hue, the smell and taste of watermelon. Japanese salad kaizo. Ingredients. Sea kale -500 grams. Soy sauce -half a tablespoon L. Starch -2 teaspoons, sesame oil -2 teaspoons, lemon juice -2 teaspoons, sesame -4 tablespoons L. Cooking method. Pour the soy sauce and water, 1/4 of a glass, into a saucepan and put on a fire. Dissolve the starch in 1/4 of a glass of water and pour into a hot, but not boiling sauce. Stir constantly, wait until the sauce thickens. Remove from heat. Add sesame oil, lemon juice and sesame, mix well. Marinate the sea kale in the cooked sauce for 2 hours. A useful and tasty salad is served with fish dishes and soups. Cranberry. Cranberries are one of the most useful and rare berries. It is rich in vitamins C, K, PP and group B, amino acids, antioxidants. The northern berry has bactericidal and antiviral properties. Thanks to the natural preservative content, cranberries can be stored for a long time without heat treatment. You can eat berries in raw form, and in the form of juice, jam. Cranberry juice with honey. Ingredients. Berries of cranberries, fresh or frozen, 0.5 liters. Honey -4 tablespoons. Cool drinking water -2 liters. Cooking method. Go through and wash the cranberries, then beat them with boiling water. Grind the berries in a blender. Put the berry puree in a saucepan and add water. After this, strain the liquid through a colander with a mesh structure. Then add the warm honey in a saucepan and mix thoroughly. The drink is ready. It is recommended to store moors in the refrigerator. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.